I'm gonna review the Breville Dose Control coffee grinder. This machine is amazing. I bought it on Breville itself on the website. It was actually cheaper than on let's say Amazon and other stores. I bought it around January 2026, and it was even on special. So check the website. I'm not sponsored or anything. And so this is the, it's not the pro version. The pro version is a bit of a scam because it's only like, there's only like a timer on it. You don't need a timer. So the only big issue with this machine is that the cord is very short. Okay, you really need to put the machine close to your outlet. Okay, so I already put coffee in it. To make good coffee, you really need to have a fine grind. Okay, so I put it to, this is 10. If you put it too fine, you might like, your coffee machine is gonna struggle to push the water and it's gonna block. So I'm gonna put my thing here. You just start it. I used to have like a manual one, it was a real pain. This makes it really easy. You need to check it inside because it's hard to see. But when it's finished, it's going to make a different sound. I don't like to make the machine struggle. I don't want the burr to break or anything. Just wiggle it. This machine makes your life way easier. Now wait until it's finished. Coffee tastes so much better with the grains. Not sponsoring barista, or I also like kicking horse, but anywho. So it also comes with a, you can put like your coffee handle here, and I never used it. It's useless. I just ground my coffee and put it in the handle myself. But the option is there, it comes equipped with it. So that's it, guys. I really like this machine, and I recommend it. Makes your life way easier.